Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 27th, 2020. You're at a great place. In all actuality, we are the only location that's going to give you all a heads up as to where the market is predicted to go, all without being confused. So before I get into this TRON price language analysis, make sure hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. It's just that easy. We're not here to FOMO. We're not here to FUD. We're not here to amp you up, hype you up about these cryptocurrencies in the market, because it doesn't require all of that. Only thing that we all are interested in is where is the market headed. So make sure you buckle in, because we're about to go into this TRON analysis. So October the 14th was the last time we did our video on TRON, and as always, before I start going into our future price prediction, we always talk about what the trap has done in regards to our expectations. And here we are, right here it is. October the 14th, we expected the trap to lower the value of TRON, and it has done precisely that. And as a matter of fact, it has came and hit the TP area that was spoken about on that particular video right here at 0.026. All right, so if you guys are able to tag out to the market on that particular day, it's about 3.22%. That's it. We wasn't expecting a lot in that particular analysis in the first place. And we barely almost got ultimate TP following October the 20th. So about 7 days ago, the market in TRON came 5.83%. So either way it go, we had opportunity in the market to grab some of this profit out of TRON. And it's just that easy, just that simple. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. That is done, that is completed. And now we need to see what changed and if anything has adjusted in the sense to where we're headed in the market in TRON. So here we are. You guys can see already that the market generally is trending higher in TRON, right? And it looks as if this market is going to collide with this ascending trend. Okay, so you guys can see that around December, mid-December is when this market in TRON, ultimately we have to make a decision as to whether or not it's going to go higher or lower. We have until mid-December to see what's going to occur in the market in TRON. Now already we know visually, we can see here that 0.028 is restriction and support is here at 0.024. That's the area of which the trap has been taking the market. And we haven't been moving higher and we haven't been moving lower. We've just been trading within those two areas. Take a look at TRON on the 3-day chart. Here we are again. We are noticing here on the 3-day chart though that weakness is present. We are seeing sellers in the market in TRON on a couple of these 3-day price bars. What does that mean? Well, that means that 0.028 is a sell wall. Literally means that the market is unable to break above that price. Do not make this complicated. That is precisely what is going on in TRON. And until the trap is able to overcome that 0.028 from the sellers, we won't go higher. So expect that. But from the prior performance of the trap, it looks as if he's willing to absorb the brunt of the selling that is coming in at 0.028. Okay. Now let's look at the market in TRON on the 5-day. So here we are once again. Weakness is being revealed on the 5-day chart. Right? But the market is not falling. So that's positive in the sense that even amidst this massive amount of selling that is entering into the market in TRON, the trap is not making it fall. And as I zoomed out on this 5-day chart, this is where majority of the trades are going on in the market in TRON. So we can literally continue to do this same amount of trading because this is where the market finds equilibrium. This is where the market is a balance between those who want to sell and those who want to buy. So we can actually see this go on for the same amount of time that we did back in August of 2018 all the way until July of 2019. Literally, we won't be in a trend. Real quick, weekly time frame in TRON. Here we are. The market is not moving. Nothing is going on in the market in Tron. So the market go either way. I'll be the first one to tell you. There's nothing visually seen on this chart that could substantiate, that can give you ideas. Yes, the market is giving us strength, or even the market is giving us weakness. It is not here yet. So opportunities like this is where you'll come in and just sit the sideline and you let everyone else take the hit. And then once we get a better idea, a better picture as to what the trap is going to do, that's when we jump back into the game. Because as of this particular moment, it could go either way. Okay. Market still needs to hold support 0.025 though. Okay. The trap has been successful over the last 2-3 week price bars to keep price above 0.025. So that is still in play. That is positive to see the market in Tron go higher. And then we still have the brunt of this ascending trend into the market in Tron as well. So we got some prompts to sustain the market from actually falling lower, but the weakness is still here too. So the fight is still going on. Okay. Looking at the market right here in Tron, we're not getting a lot of volatility neither. So where will the market go? For this video, we're going to play some strength into the market for Tron. That's what we're going to do. Okay. Now, this market in Tron is definitely showing that it wants to hold 0.024. So we're going to hold the market support there in Tron. I'm not expecting a huge amount of movement though. Okay. I'm not. But the market is just literally expected to hold this area. Okay. So we would TP the market in Tron right here, 0.028, which will give us what? About 3.44% profitability and bag in the market. That's it. Okay. Now the prospect of us going actually a little bit higher is definitely there, especially in the long term. But on this daily time frame, we'll TP at around 0.028, even though we can tap out at around 3 cents. Okay. Now this is our expectations. We give you an opportunity to dialogue, to leave us a comment as to what you're noticing on the chart in Tron. And from our perspective, do not make it complicated. It is worrisome to see so many people here on this particular platform speaking out of both sides of their mouth, not knowing where the market is headed. We have given you a biased direction as to what we're seeing on the chart. Now it's your turn. I want you to give me your biased direction as to where the trap is going to take the market in Tron. And then give us your TP price and we'll see how he performs. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we'll speak again on the next video.